Hello guys, today my dad will be talking about cables and I'm just here to make the video more fun. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Thanks for a nice introduction from my son Ian. Today we're going to discuss about cable and their color and sizes. A wire or cable is responsible for the main job, moving the electricity from the power plant to our homes. The conductor is located at the center of the cable. Another layer of the cable work around to protect the conductor. Let's get into it. Let's talk about cable voltage and their color. 120 to 140 volts, single phase. Ungrounded conductor, color black and red. Grounded conductor, color white. For 120 208 volts, three-phase, ungrounded conductor, the color is black, red, and blue, and the grounded conductor is white. For 120 240 volts, three-phase, ungrounded conductor, color black, orange, blue, and the grounded conductor is white. 277 480 volts, three-phase, ungrounded conductor, brown, orange, yellow. Grounded conductor, green or yellow or gray. Note, conductor with insulations that green or green with one or more yellow stripe can't be used for ungrounded or neutral conductor as per NEC 250.119. Grounded conductors for American wire gauge or larger must be identified by one of the following means by NEC 200.6b. Number 1. A continuous white outer finish along its entire length. Number 2. A continuous gray outer finish along its entire length. Number 3. 3 continuous white stripe along its length. Number 4. White or gray tape or markings at the termination. Now, let's talk about Romex or non-metallic flexible cable. This is number 14-2, 15 amperes. This is the sheeting. This is the hot conductor, color black. The ground conductor is bare cable. And the white conductor is color white. And for the 14-3, 15 amperes, the hot conductor is black and red. And the ground conductor is the same, bare cable, white conductor, color white. And the neutral conductor is color white. Number 12, gauge wire. Use general lighting and bathroom. Color yellow. 12-3 is the same. Neutral, white, ground, bare cable, hot, black. For 12-3, it's the same. The hot is black and red, neutral is white, ground is bare wire. Number 10, gauge wire. Use dryer appliance, and air conditioning. The color is orange. This is the 10-3 or 10/3. The color of the hot is black and red, and color of neutral is white. And for the ground, bare conductor. This is how we are going to connect it. For gauge number 8, wire used for feeder and large appliance. This is the same, just look here. The ground is bare cable, the hot is black and red, and the neutral is white. Number 6, used for feeder and large appliance. The hot cable is red and black. The neutral cable is white, and the ground bare cable. Number 3, gauge wire, used for service entrance and feeder wire. The same, The hat is red and black, white is neutral, and the ground is bare cable. 1/0 gauge, service entrance and feeder wire. The hat is black and red, the neutral is white, the ground is bare cable. Number 3, the 0 or /0 gauge service entrance. We use this as a service entrance. The hat is black and red, the neutral is white, and the ground is bare cable. Please refer to wire size conversion chart, American wire gauge to square millimeters. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Have a good one.